Good morning, guys. Sorry my garden video is late. But look at the nice little cage Timmy made for the turkey and chickens. Now they have a good 4 more feet of run by 20-25 foot. They're got a tarp on the top to keep the sun off of them for the most part. But doesn't that look nice? Nice. And look what I got today. 6 eggs. So I'm going to take you out and we're going to do a garden tour. First up on the agenda is this little blue box has cucumber seeds in it. As they grow, I'll separate them out and put them into different spots. But there's my first one. Here is my first grape plant. Part of it is dying, but part of it is still living. Have to be careful. There's a lot of mud out here. Look at that one, how good it's doing. Yes. And we got to step around this mud. Sorry guys, it rained last night and everything here's muddy. Look at my peas. It's already starting to get their little tendrils on them. I'm going to take from here down into some holes that Timmy's going to build me all the way around, make me some strings all the way up through here so it can just keep growing. But look how good they did. Here is our rhubarb, which is now put out a 3rd leaf. So good deal. We'll keep on watching that. And that little thing right here, just to start plants, I put cantaloupes in. So we're hoping that that produces us some plants that we can transplant. Whew, I'm out of breath, guys. We're going to start out here next to the she shed. In this one, I planted 2 packages of English lavender. That's supposed to help keep mosquitoes away, I believe. We have these 2 toads. I don't know what that is, so I haven't got it out as a weed yet, but I'm sure it is a weed. Somebody knows, they can let me know. But these 2 will be planted. I have 2 on the other side of our trailer that I can plant. And I have, sorry, I don't want to make you dizzy, 1 here and 1 there. So, try to turn you slow so I don't make myself dizzy. Whew, there's my black kitty. There's my black kitty. Hey, baby. We have 3 of them. 2 of them I've seen this morning. And they have ate real good, so they're outside in the rain playing. They're fine. They have a nice dry area to go in. Oops, I gotta get the water out of my rose again. Here, I have marigolds coming back up in. So we'll hope they bloom out like they did last year. This is my Keller lilies. This one is a pink rose bush, which I need to take need to transplant it into a more permanent home. That is strawberry, and look guys, I have strawberries. I think that's another strawberry plant that's coming up. So I definitely need to transplant them. This is my blueberries, which looks like they're getting blueberries on them. Yes! Awesomeness! Look, right there and right here. Wait a minute, oh, there they are. Awesome. Now that's my blackberries. They haven't bloomed yet, so I don't know when they'll do that. They may not even bloom this year. It may not be till next year because they're so little. But on with the rest of the garden tour. I don't know if my fishies, yeah, you can. See if I can enlarge. You see my 2 little fishies? They're ready for me to feed them. I'll have to come back out with some food. coming over in here. We still ain't put our water line in yet. But we'll get to it. This is another calla lily. Just getting ready to pop through the ground. So next couple weeks you should be able to see them. Now here is my pride and joy. Just planted this week. Look at my tomatoes. One's a little wimpy, but hopefully it'll come out of it. On the way to them, I planted spearmint, rosemary, basil, more lavender. This is true lavender. And this one is lemon balm. All of those are supposed to be some kind of anti-bug thing. We're going to try to see if it works, especially around that pond. Got some little bitty baby tomatoes. These were volunteers from the ones that Dean gave me. So I've got those two. And, oh, this one, no, just those two baby ones. But they're still growing good. This area right here, I planted carrots in just the other day, so they're not up yet. Get out of the garden. Them little kittens. For a almost 68-year-old woman, they're trying. Look at my onions, how they're coming up, guys. That was just off the roots of the ones that we cut and ate. We just put the roots back in the ground. So there we go. 2 harvests off the same plant. Look at these. Look at my potatoes. We went through and put some more dirt on them, but I think we're going to have to do it again. Look. Potatoes growing. Yes. Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. These are a little later starting, but that's all right. They are coming up and doing their thing. Stay out of the garden, kitten. These kitties are very smart. Beautiful little black kitties. But they want to stay on my office porch, and I can't get anything done with them on there, so we're having to try to figure out a way of relocating them till they get fully litter box trained, which they're working on. And here is the lettuce. Look how it's almost getting ready. In another couple, 3 weeks, we'll be able to have a thing of lettuce. And then here is still our garden that we're trying our best to find a local vendor to get some topsoil from, so we can put plants in here. I'd like to transfer my cucumbers out in this area out here once we get some good soil in there. I just let them climb up the mountain. Let me spread you out again. Look how that would be a perfect place for cucumbers. Let's see if, I don't know how long it takes apple trees to form apples, even baby apples, but they did have, looks like something's been eating on the leaves. Ooh, that's not good. I'll have to do some Googling. But ain't that pretty? And then that one is a Red Delicious. Somebody is shooting up above my head. What the hell are they shooting at? Better not be my dog. And this, I need to stake it because the bottom is a whole lot less than what the top is. What is this one? I'll put it in the edit when I do it. But ain't that a pretty? Look, got big gorgeous leaves on the top of it. But if it'd get any apples, it would just fall over. So I need to have a big long stake put in and tight piece of water pipe or something. But we are going to plant some stuff in here. Hopefully, we're busy the next couple of weeks, so I'm not really sure. when that'll be. Let's go out and go down the steps. This is our little walkway above the yard. Look how pretty our grass is coming in, though, guys. We'll be mowing that in a few weeks. Spreading it in the spaces that ain't took it. Reseeding some of the places. So, what was a muddy mess like the backyard is now coming in really pretty green grass. So, there we go. This is, of course, our deck that I showed you in our yard projects. Let me hold on to the banister because I definitely don't want to fall running a camera. It's almost as bad to walk and play with your phone as it is to drive and play with it. You just have more wheels on a car. Here is, look how pretty that filled in. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Can I tell you what those are? No, but if anybody knows, put it in the comment section below. They're beautiful. They're supposed to have flowers on them. And here, all the way down through there, is our hedges, boxwood hedges. Still doing very good, each and every one of them. See how pretty they are? There's another one. The fourth one. And the fifth one. And guys, that is going to end our garden tour for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope that if you like something you've seen, especially the little black kitties. Ain't they cute? That's where they originally stayed at, was in the building. But somehow they made it away to the... Oh, there's the third one. Look at you. So they're all three here. I think they're all three little boys. Anyway, their names are Alvin, Simone, and Theo. Just in case if I missed one up. So, anyway, there's the three kitties. So, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. There is our nice little landing. We also need to get hay. We could not find any straw when we went to Lowe's the other day. That's how come it's not been seeded and strawed yet. But we're keeping looking. Anybody knows where we can buy some hay relatively easy and get it transported down here, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see if I can get that picked up. Y'all have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.